So today I'm going to be showing off the AI, one of the AIs that we've been working on at Chart Raiders. And the purpose of this AI that I'm going to be showing off today is to help people learn how to become better day traders. Now, whether you want to have a coach or a mentor or someone to help you out, a community to ask questions to, our purpose of this AI is to kind of squash all that and give people the direct answers they need. So gone are the days of needing to pay for a coach, and gone are the days of needing to ask questions and wait for answers in communities such as Discord or online forums and things like that. We've created an AI that will answer basically any question you have regarding day trading, and it'll help teach you how to day trade. So we're going to go here, and this is just a very early version. It has limited information right now. We've only loaded it and scraped about 5% of the information that this AI bot will have available, and over time it's going to get stronger and stronger and stronger. In the next few weeks, we're going to be finished compiling all the data to put into the system, and then it'll be a much better, much faster and stronger set of responses. So let's just ask it a few questions as if we were a day trading student and see what it gives us. All right, so we're going to start here. We're going to go enter a message. Let's try, what is a hold level? Let's just try some pretty preliminary basic things, and we can bring up a little piece of code that's running here, and you can see that the code is going to give us the output. We've asked the AI what is a hold level, and it's going to tell us a hold level refers to a specific price level on a chart where there is significant amount of buying or selling pressure. Hold levels can be seen as areas of accumulation on top or distribution on the bottom. When the price approaches a hold level, it is often tested, meaning that there's an attempt to break through that level. Okay, cool. What if we said, what is a hold level? Please explain it to me in the most advanced way. Let's put a period here, make sure. What is a hold level? Please explain it to me in the most advanced way. Let's see what it tells us. We're gonna just bring up the code where it's going to kick back an answer for us, and we're just gonna wait for it. Again, this is just running a localized version, and so it's gonna take a little bit of time. Over time, we will make it instant reaction speeds. And there you go. There you have it. It gives us the advanced version of what a hold level is. I'm not going to read through this whole thing, but what is a hold level? Let's try in 10 words. See what it says. What is a hold level in 10 words? Keep accumulation on top, distribution on bottom, and price action analysis. Okay. In 20 words, describe a break level. Let's try this one. 20 words, describe a break level. We'll let it queue up its information. Oh, I think I hit it twice by accident. Let's count how many words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it decided to do it in 13 words. The bottom wick of a 2 candle or more peak on a chart. Oh, okay, perfect. Let's try 30 words, see if it can give us a little bit of a different response here. Okay, a break level is a specific point where the price movement breaks, often indicated by the wick on a valley of 2 or more candles. Cool. Describe a break level. Let's try in 2 sentences. I believe I misspelled sentences. It doesn't matter. It knows what I'm trying to say. A break level is a price level which matches a price to significant support or resistance level. It is often seen as a signal for a potential trend reversal or continuation. What if I asked it, can you make me a professional day trader? Can you help me become? Let's try that. Can you help me become a professional day trader? Let's see what our AI has to tell us when we ask it if it can help us become a professional day trader. Yes, Chart Raiders was created with the goal of helping traders improve their skills and become professional day traders. The platform provides educational content. Okay, so it decided to talk about Chart Raiders, and not because I'm asking it, it's a Chart Raiders AI. So that kind of makes sense. However, it is important to note that becoming a professional day trader requires dedication, practice, and continuous learning. Chart Raiders can be a valuable resource in your journey, but it is ultimately up to you to put in the effort, commitment, and success in the field. How long will it take before I make money in day trading? See what it's going to answer for us here. Now we're getting off the beaten path a little bit here in testing out this AI and showing it off for the first time, but let's see what it says. The larger the time frame you trade, the longer the trade will take to develop. So if you are day trading, it typically takes a shorter amount of time to make money compared to trading on larger time frames. Oh, interesting. However, the time it takes to make money in day trading can vary depending on various factors such as market conditions, trading strategy, and individual trading skills. Oh, cool. So let's ask it one final question to round off this video. Have a few comments that we'll make towards the end. What would be a good question to ask this? Let's kind of ask a little bit more of a complex trend. How do you draw a range trend? Let's add a little twist. during volatile market conditions. Just give it something a little confusing. I don't know. I don't even know what it's going to say, but let's just ask it for a range trend during volatile market conditions. And I don't know. Okay. How do you draw a range trend? Let's see. Let's see if it knows the answer to a range trend. Well, that's good. At least it's honest to us. To draw a range trend, you need to first identify a range on the chart. Okay, a range is okay, and so forth and so forth. Then it gave us the answer to a range trend. So just a few things to add in this video. Really the point of this was to give everybody in the world a clear and concise way to ask day trading questions that can be answered with a very specific outcome. And this really does away with the need for having things like coaches, mentors, asking questions in communities. Basically, it's going to be your one-stop shop to ask any question. If you've just watched a video on our skill tree or on Chart Raiders and learned about a new technique or tactic, you could simply go here and ask it. If you've just learned about break levels, you could ask it all your questions about break levels. If you just learned about trends or reverse levels or inverse levels, let's try that one. Let's say I just learned about inverse levels. I feel like, hey, I need a mentor or a coach or somebody who can teach me a bit of a better way to understand inverse levels. Help me understand inverse levels. Then I really don't need to ask a community member. I don't have to wait for other people's responses. I can just communicate with the Chart Raiders AI. SB bot is what we call it, scanbot SB. This is just a little graphic we threw on for a demonstration purpose, and it really is going to do away with all the questions that people have, and it's going to give people a direct one-to-one answer. Now, I will say that we have only scraped about 5% of the information to test this and make a tech demo, but in the coming weeks, maybe even the coming month or two, we're going to give it 60 days max. We're going to be scraping and looking at every single piece of content that myself, Cotton Candy TA, has made on day trading to best populate this bot to help with things like skill tree, chart doctor, your account panel, tutorials, and in the end, our SB, as we call it, which is scanbot. Our SB is going to be able to answer any question, whether it's how do I make more money in day trading, or what's the best strategy to use today on, it's right now, it's August 25th and Bitcoin is dumping. What would be the best strategy to use today to trade? That would be a great thing to ask it. Or if you wanted to say, hey, I have an account and I want to maximize the rewards I get so I can earn a free income. Well, it's going to give you step-by-step guides on how to maximize your account panel inside of Chart Raiders. Anything Chart Raiders related, anything day trading related, markets, learning, material, you're going to have a place to just go ask a question, and this thing is going to be up and running 24/7 on people's second or third or fourth monitor, because they're going to be going to it on a regular basis, asking it questions, and it's going to help give them exact, precise answers, and therefore do away with the need to have any kind of day trading mentors, coaches, things like that that you may find yourself searching for, and it's going to give you the exact answer to every question you'll ever have. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let's read this last question. An inverse level is a term used to describe a level or a price point on the opposite side of a move. For example, if there's a hold level on the upside of a move, the inverse hold level would be on the downside. It is essentially the opposite or reverse of a particular level or price point. So that's it. That's it for scanbot SB, our AI that we're working on here at Chart Raiders, and everybody will have access in the future, and we'll start rolling out invites to test this thing and try it out to community members. And if you want to know more, you can join the Discord and follow along to all the news and all the updates and things to come in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy.